Good day, I'm Sophia Paula Viray, and today I will show you how to update records in MySQL. First, let's open the workbench, add connection, test the connection, and enter your password, and press OK. Then open the records. First, let's create a database. Next is use records. Next is to create table. Under create table, records 1. After that, I'll show you the table. The table will show and there is still no records about the employee. So let's update it. So let us enter the a employee ID 1, the last name, and the first name. So next is the employee employee's age. So all these information are updated in the table. Let's enter another one. So after that, let's look at the table. And it will show the updated records of the employee. That's all, and thank you.
Good day, I'm Chairmate Tarnate and I will discuss on retrieving data from several tables. First, we are going to create a new table and use different SQL commands to retrieve records from two or more tables. Create a new table and name it as you want, and you need to input a data like for example table cherry, then customer ID. I use customer name, customer first name, customer last name, and customer age. And you need to input their character, a varchar, and the length 50. And the question is how to show and save into a database. Paul, you need to execute your new table, save your database. As you can see, the table inserted successfully. But we need to insert a data in a table that created. Insert into cherry, name the table and the values. Like for example, the number 1. And of course, my first name and the last name is Tarnate. And also my age 21. And you can input another data. Now, if you are done to inserting more data, And we need to check the data is successfully executed. We need to select everywhere or asterisk from the name of the table, cherry, then find the data, searching where customer. Execute. As you can see, we create and inserted successfully the table. To retrieve your data, we are going to select from table, then you can select where the location or where the customer ID located, or even your customer first name or customer last name. To retrieving your data in several tables or two or more tables, we need to create a table or a second table. For example, cherry 2, the second table, and insert into cherry 2. Then input a values, number 1. Example, I use name of Ashley Pearl, then her last name, Pilago, and also her age, customer age. Values 2 rows, Inocencio, and inserted more. Data. If you are done to create data, you need to select from location of your table like cherry, cherry 2, and the example of existing cherry 3. And then your location where customer first name, if you want to show first name, you can show the database you inserted. You can retrieve all your data that you are select and inserted in a database. And that's all. Thank you for listening.